What's going on, Matchbox collectors? Today I have an unboxing of 8 Matchbox sports cars. And back in the day, Matchbox, originally Lesney Matchbox, they did do sports cars. They did sports cars in the 90s, but then after that it seemed like they really weren't doing cool cars to me. And I sort of, I don't know. When I first started collecting, I wasn't really into Matchbox really because there just wasn't anything really that great, or just everything was so picked over you couldn't find anything good, which is most likely the story. But now that I've found a couple of good stores, I've been able to find some really cool cars. So some of these cars are from 2017, 2019, 2020. Some of them are brand new from 2023. I got a little bit of a head start. Here's the Porsche 918 Spyder. This car is hard to find, it's very desirable, and it's a hypercar from Matchbox, which I think is really cool. Has nice details. It's fly yellow. The Polaris Slingshot. It's a very unique car. It's a very ugly car. It's a horrible driving car. I wouldn't even call it a car. It's a tricycle with a motorcycle engine. But every once in a while I'll see them. It seems like old guys in their 50s, they seem to have these, and they're either blaring rock music or they're blaring rap music as they literally drive through the Walmart parking lot. That's where I saw the last one in person. And it's very, very weird casting. It's kind of more of a Hot Wheels-esque casting than a Matchbox casting. This is very strange how they just molded this steering wheel in just one blob. Just look at it, blob, blob. That's kind of cheesy, but it's a rare car. It's hard to find, and I think it's somewhat desirable. It's definitely unique. It's a unique piece of automotive history. We have the McLaren 720 Spyder in neon lime green. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. It's great. I have about 4 of these because I think it's one of the best Matchbox cars to come out for 2023. And for a $1 model, you really can't beat it. There's the tail lamps. Ooh, there's a little chunk of paint there. Very, very cool. Oh, there's a lot of orange peel in this one. Interesting. Very, very nice. This is a car that not many people are interested in, the 35 Ford pickup. This one says Matchbox Swap Meet Special. What I kind of like about it is it has matte paint work to it. It's not a gloss or metallic, so it's somewhat different. This car has a big surprise. So here it is on this side. Looks nice. You think, oh, ho hum, ho hum. Then you turn it over. What a surprise this is. This is crazy. It has a door from a different colored vehicle, kind of like a rat rod, but it's a total surprise because in the package you couldn't see that at all. Wow. I am so glad I opened this. That's really, really unique. Really cool. Next up, we have the Subaru SVX. I believe this is a Rue Asada doing, and rest in peace, Rue. And this car looks awesome. Classic pearl white. Opening slit window, very, very nice. I love that the tempo matches up perfectly. That's a huge plus, or almost perfectly. That's really, really nice. Next up, from 2019, 2018, is the Porsche Cayman. Very desirable model. This one was somewhat hard to find. You know, it is a Porsche. Pearl white, tan interior, classic, good looks, no orange peel. That's a plus. Next up, we have two classic vehicles, the 56 Jaguar XK 140 Roadster and the 63 Austin Healey Roadster. And I like these cars. I think they have an awesome look to them. They're just classic British motors. Kind of feels good to open some cars. British racing green, tan interior, blue tinted windshield. It doesn't get any more classic than that. Check out that grille, which is missing some of it, or it's misaligned slightly. But it's got the tail lamps, Jaguar 56 on the license plate. It's just a nice clean model. It's proportioned good. It looks very nice. Just looks great. All right, the 8th car, here we go. I love this car. I think it looks awesome. This sky blue metallic looks great. Grille, headlamps, turn signals, microscopic tail lamps. Awesome. Perfect classic wheels. Both these cars look great together. And I love the scene here. The desert looks like it's driving through Arizona. I don't know, it just looks great. What's interesting is this is part of the Matchbox off-road series. Is that a mistake? Like, clearly they did this, but clearly it should be part of this road trip series. Something doesn't seem right to me. Thank you for watching this unboxing of 8 Matchbox vehicles. If you liked this video, you may also like to watch some of my other Matchbox unboxings. Have an awesome day. I'll see you at the next video.